everyone, welcome back to another video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal intern in Lexicon Company, is going to present today's video topic, that is intoxication, section 85 of Indian Penal Code. So, just moving ahead with the topic, it is very important to know that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement under the guideline of Bar Council of India, and sole purpose of this video is only for educational purpose. Now, let's get started with the video. So, act of a person, the section 85 for Indian Penal Code states that act of a person incapable of judgment by the reason of intoxication caused against his will. Okay, and nothing is an offense which is done by a person who at the time of doing it and is reasoned by the intoxication, and at the time that is incapable of knowing the nature of the act, or that he is doing what he is doing is wrong, or that is contrary to law, and provided that all thing which intoxicated him was administered to him without his knowledge and against his will. So this is section 85 talks about. Now if a person is drunk, and in this condition what happened, that crime is committed by that person. So, is that person is liable for that? Is that person has committed that crime and is liable for that, or the person is not liable for that? So, section 85 deals with that. Simply telling that if the person is intoxicated, that it means that any individual who has committed the crime is made by him and at the time of intoxication, but offense done by him is not in a condition to understand the nature of the act. So in this case, that one more important thing is added, that the administration of intoxication is done without his knowledge and against his will. But it's not mere that, it is not only important to say that if one person goes and say that I was drunk and due to which I have committed this crime, please give me some protection. So provided that not only the protection is not only to given that if I'm drunk, so give me protection. No, mere all the inquiry investigation take place, and what happened, that protection will be given only to that person who proves 2 points more, and these 2 points need to be explained. That first point is that who where the knowledge of the act is not known by the person, and that the intoxication that is take place is without his knowledge and against his will. So these 3 points are to be mentioned, are to be proven. And now talking about what are the essentials of section 85 of Indian Penal Code. So first point of essential is that incapable of knowing the nature of the case, nature of the facts, nature of the act. And second essential is that what he did is contrary to law or wrong. Or the third point is that the intoxication which was taken by him was without his knowledge and against his will. So this is all about section 85. Now talking about one case, that is Bablu versus State of Rajasthan. In this what happened, that here the appellant under the influence of liquor killed his wife and 5 children. So here what happened, that the Supreme Court ruled that the mere proof of intoxication is not enough to invoke section 85, to take protection from section 85, but the accused need to prove the plea and to prove that the intoxication was administered to him without his knowledge, without his consent, against his will. So this is whole about section 85 of Indian Penal Code that talks about intoxication. And I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this useful, please go and smash the like button, subscribe to channel, and let me know your feedback in the comment box below. Till then, take care, goodbye.